Oh god. Oh my god, that's heavy. Just waiting for my noodles. What the? Wait, no, I can do this. Now what? Hello, welcome back to Maedae in the Kitchen. I'm Maedae, and today I thought we would do another cooking blindfold. You guys liked it last time, and I thought we would try it again. So today I am going to be making a butternut squash and spinach lasagna, and I will be completely blindfolded to ensure my safety. I have my husband here with me to read me the directions, as well as make sure I don't cut a finger off. I don't think there's any cutting involved, but just to make sure everything is safe, he is here. So let's get cooking. If you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Also, be sure to check out my Instagram. I post behind the scenes, like what I'm cooking today. You guys will see some pictures of that. Also, you can see what I'm doing with my life and not just here on Wednesdays, so please go check it out. So I am now going to put on my blindfold, which is just like a a face mask for when I have headaches. It's supposed to be cold, but this is all I have. So I am putting it on. There we go. And go ahead and read me the first step.
The first step is butternut squash filling. You'll need to have pre-cooked butternut squash puree using food processor. Combine 2 cups of butternut squash puree with ricotta cheese, milk, salt, and nutmeg. Add more milk if needed to make the butternut squash filling very creamy. Mix very well, taste, and add more salt if needed.
Okay, it says to do it in a food processor, or the puree is supposed to be...
Using food processor, combine 2 cups of...
So I already have my food processor set up. I need to get 2 cups butternut squash puree. Is this a cup?
Yeah.
Where's the spoon? I can't find the spoon. Wait, no, I can do this. Got it! I'm gonna use a spatula. Okay, so there's some of it. Am I doing okay?
Yeah.
Ew. It's all over my hands.
It's like baby food.
It is, basically. Okay, is it full? No?
More could go in there.
I missed. Okay, good?
No.
Good?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay. So one more? No, I don't think that's clear. Oh god, I missed. Let's try this again. Oh god, I just put my hand all up in it again. Okay. You'll tell me if I'm like completely missing, right? Okay, what's next?
Next is spinach filling. Combine spinach. Oh wait,
no,
you were supposed to put the ricotta cheese.
Okay, so stop. How much ricotta cheese?
It doesn't say. It says using food processor.
No, go to the front side of the recipe, and it'll be like the first ingredient or so.
1 cup of ricotta cheese.
1 cup. Should I mix it?
It has a wrapper on it.
That's a wrapper? I just took the wrapper off.
The cap off.
I took the wrapper
Oh,
off.
it looked like a wrapper from the glare.
Is that 1 cup?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, yeah, sure. So scoot it closer to me.
Yeah, so you're not.
Is that empty?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do I need next?
Half cup of milk or more if needed.
Okay, I'm using unsweetened almond milk. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a mess. Yeah, I'm gonna do half of it. Do I trust myself? Okay, half cup, I think. Oh well. It said add more if I wanted. Okay, what's next?
A 1/4 teaspoon salt plus 1/8 teaspoon more.
Where's my salt? Okay, 1/4 teaspoon?
That's right.
Alright, I'm just gonna 1/4 teaspoon. That seems like a quarter, yeah? Okay, and then what?
Quarter teaspoon nutmeg.
Okay, nutmeg. Where's the nutmeg?
I don't know.
Nate! A's and B's, C's, and nutmeg. Is this nutmeg?
Nope. You're right next to it.
This one?
Yeah.
Nutmeg. A quarter teaspoon? Oh, I do not like the smell of nutmeg. Is this a quarter teaspoon?
That's a half teaspoon.
This is a quarter teaspoon.
Yeah.
Okay. I do not like the smell of nutmeg. Oh, that stinks.
Mix very well, taste, and add more salt if needed to make butternut squash filling very
What's wrong
creamy.
with this?
What's wrong?
It's on backwards. Dang it. And then this. Wait, is it on? No, that's not. Is it? Oh, there we go. So, does that look mixed up?
No, it needs more. Let's keep going.
Okay, so now what?
Combine spinach, ricotta cheese, mozzarella, garlic, salt and pepper. Oh, you didn't taste it first to see if it needed more salt.
I was gonna use a fork. Is that a lot? Sure? More salt? Where did I put the salt? Oh, right here.
Take it easy.
I'm like low-key getting dizzy.
No, it has to reach the bottom and
Good? I say it's good. Straight up baby food. Yeah, I think it's good. It tastes great. Okay, what's next?
Spinach filling. Combine spinach, ricotta cheese, mozzarella, garlic, salt, and pepper. Mix, taste, and add more salt.
I don't have
pepper.
garlic. So I have my spinach. Oh, thank you. And then what's the next? Only one ingredient at a time. What's the next one?
Ricotta.
Okay, how much ricotta?
1 cup of ricotta cheese.
Where did my spatula go? Is that a cup?
Yeah, a lot more.
A lot more? Ugh, I don't think I have a lot more. That's a cup?
Almost.
Do I have more in here?
Barely. 1 cup of mozzarella cheese.
There is. Okay. That seems good. Okay, 1 cup mozzarella.
2 garlic cloves minced.
Too much stuff in my... What? Ow! I can't. Oh, there.
1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Is that it?
Pepper to taste.
Is that good?
So,
There?
I don't know what I'm saying. It's just
Okay.
a pepper to taste.
Okay, am I done?
Yeah, mix it.
Is it mixed?
Next is cooking lasagna noodles.
Just waiting for my noodles. The lasagna that I'm using is oven ready, which means I don't actually need to boil it. So I think I'm just gonna follow these directions and just put it within my casserole dish and just bake it. So forget this. I'm just gonna leave it there for right now, but forget boiling it and cooking it in the pot. So what is my next step?
It says how to assemble. Use a casserole dish 11 inches by 5 inches by 3 inches deep.
Oh my god, that's heavy. Alright.
Grease the lasagna dish lightly with olive oil spray.
God.
Came off the cap.
Is that good?
That's cool. Now spread 1/3 of butternut squash filling on the bottom of the dish.
Where's my spatula? Oh, okay, 1/3. Where is it? Here it is.
Has a lot on it. One down the side.
Is it gonna drip?
How do you know it's 1/3?
I don't know. Well, I'll spread it and will it go? Am I good? Is it spread evenly?
That cup's in the way.
What cup? I don't see
Reach
anything.
forward. A little bit more. Down there a little bit. Right there.
Is that evenly coated?
Not really. I think you need more in there.
More? Okay, now what?
Sprinkle lightly with mozzarella cheese.
Is that lightly?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, next.
Top with cooked lasagna noodles without overlapping.
How do I?
You have to break bread.
It's gonna. Oh! Oh, that was pretty clean cut, no?
Mm-hmm.
Can I go this way? Like that?
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, now what?
Spread half of spinach filling over the noodles.
Alright, I feel like I just want to do this with my hands.
That's like pretty much almost all of it.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
It's like a quarter left.
I'll just spread it thin. Is that...
You need more spread than that.
Okay, good?
Well, you just took out that piece right there. Yeah, thank you. Top lightly with mozzarella cheese.
Oh god.
Top with cooked noodles.
No!
Spread another layer of butternut squash mixture. You need more than that. You need more than that.
Gross.
Then sprinkle lightly with mozzarella cheese. Topped with cooked noodles.
What if I run out of noodles? La-di-da-di-da. Okay.
Spread the remaining half of spinach filling over the noodles.
I feel like my sleeves are all up in this. Is that spread?
Top lightly with mozzarella cheese.
Wait, is mozzarella spread evenly?
No,
Or do I need more?
just do your thing. No, like, you just asked if it was even. Not if you needed more.
I feel it on my sleeve.
The back left corner.
This one?
That's your right. Yeah.
Okay,
Spread a generous amount of butternut squash, the remaining third, over the final layer of noodles.
So one more noodle?
No, it's saying, yeah, top.
So one more noodle?
Yeah.
I don't have enough. With this
Okay, so then it says spread a generous amount of butternut squash filling. Your hands are right?
Ow. Am I even over it? Okay. Oh wait, I want this. Ew. Good?
Sprinkle with grated Parmesan
Parmesan?
and remaining mozzarella cheese.
Okay.
Back, right there.
Good?
Yeah.
Or do I need to spread it?
Spread it.
Ew.
Generously sprinkle the cheese with Italian seasoning, paprika, and basil.
Italian seasoning.
Yeah, second row. Last one.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Good?
I would do more.
Good?
I would do more.
Really? I don't know if I trust you.
Ah, you're good.
And what else?
Paprika, third row, middle.
This one?
Yep.
Good?
Alright, that's good.
Okay. Now what?
Basil.
Good?
You're gonna need a lot. Nothing's coming out.
What?
Barely anything's coming out. Just keep going. Alright, cool. Cover the baking dish with foil and bake for 30 minutes. Remove foil and bake additional 10 minutes.
So I am going to now throw it in the oven. I will be back when it is all ready. I will clean this up and we will see together. Well, I guess you guys can see it before me, but I will reveal my eyes when it is ready and out of the oven. Okay, so be right back. It is done and oh my gosh, it looks bumpy. There are some bubbles in it and stuff, but oh my gosh, the smell is so good. I am so excited to try it. I think I did a pretty good job. The only thing I'm kind of worried about is the lasagna noodles because it did not say that I had to bake it, so hopefully they're cooked. I really hope they are. But I'm gonna cut it and we're gonna try it. Ooh, I'm so scared of the lasagna noodles. Ooh, it looks delicious. Ooh, yeah. I am ready to try it. Here we go. Oh yeah, I love me some butternut squash. This is so good. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. The noodles are good, perfect, done. Ooh. I have to admit though, it was quite easy to make blindfolded. Like in comparison to the last video I made with me blindfolded, this was actually not too bad. Yes! Okay. Oh my gosh. I truly hope that you all find the time to make this delicious vegetarian lasagna. Not vegan, because there's a lot of cheese, but so good. I am going to devour the rest of this, and my husband will devour his plate, and I'm just gonna save this for days after because I want to cherish it and keep on eating it. It is so good. All right. Thank you so much for joining me today on Mayday in the Kitchen. I had a great time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me try and cook this blindfolded. It was pretty good. Smooth sailing compared to my last one. But give me some ideas on what you want me to cook with my blindfold on, and I would love to give it a try. Suggest something a bit harder. I am totally up for the challenge. Just let me know down in the comments below or comment them on my Instagram post. And yeah, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Check out my Instagram for behind the scenes as well, and I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye!